So here you are grouping by department. So you want to group by city. Then you wanted to see from which city how many employees are there. Then you will group by city. Then you wanted to order by city. If you want, then you can perform order by city. If you give order by, then what you will get in the ascending order you will get. So ascending order, here there are alphabets, right? So you are ordering with respect to city.
Okay, by default it will give us ascending.
Yes, by default it will give a ascending order. Earlier you have seen the numbers. Now yeah, like with respect to alphabets, you just see.
Okay.
If you want a descending order, then this is the case. So from HCB you will get. So this is the one. And when you are using group by clause, so whatever the columns here you wanted to display, with that only like you can group it. So here I will say here you are having the column as city only, but if you wanted to group by city and salary, you will get an error message. Group by city, salary. So this is not a correct information if you are grouping by city and salary. So you won't get in a correct way. So whatever the columns here are there, only with respect to that only you can use in the group by. So this is the correct format. So in Chennai, salary 9,000, 2 employees are there. In Bangalore, 15,000, 1 employee is there. You will get a what do you say? Like you can read in a correct way. So the columns like whatever are there in the group by should also be there in your columns you wanted to display. Then only you will get the correct output when you are using a group by statement. Are you clear on this? Hello?
Yes, clear. Yes, clear.
Okay. Then here again you can give order by condition. Order by salary, if you say. So in the ascending order, it will go. Whatever is there. And wanted to filter out with respect to city, then you can use where condition. Where city is equal to here. One thing I forgot to say, like where clause wouldn't work when you're doing an aggregate operation. Then you need to, for filtering, then you need to use having. having city is equal to Chennai, then only like you would get the display of the records. Okay. So it's like in this fashion, you need to use group by, order by, and mixed kind of thing to get the results. On this, like till here, like whatever we have worked, I will give you some assignment, so you perform on your SQL workbench. The next topic that we will go is what we have. Like operator. The like operator is used to fetch the records, like you wanted to fetch the records which is having NAI or CHE or EN with some letters, or it is starting with a letter A. You wanted to fetch that. Suppose you think like some pattern, it start, if your name should start with C and it should end with I. That pattern you can give to get the records. So the syntax would be select star from employee where city like I wanted to start the city of name like with which starts with C. So I will give a C, and after that I will use percentage and close this. So I will run this. So it is giving which starts with C. So here I want to check the employee name you think which starts with R. Employee which starts with R I want. The pattern is it should start with R and end it can be like anything. So you are giving R percentage. So this is the only name in your table which is starting with R. And if you want to say your name should end with A, then you will use percentage in the initial. The last letter, whatever you wanted to end your name, you will give that. So two names are there which are ending with A. And if you wanted A in any position it might be there, not at the start and not at the end, then you will use percentage A and again percentage. Then it will fetch all the results where A is in any position. So these all names are having A in any position. At the it can be at the start, it can be in the middle, or it can be at the end. Doesn't care. So it gives all the results. And if you wanted to start, like after one alphabet you wanted to leave, so your name starts in the second place with A. You wanted to fetch all the names with letter A. Letter A should start in the second place. Then you will give like one space, underscore you give, like that is considered, that will be considered as first place, and second place whatever the alphabet you wanted to search you will give, and at the end percentage you will give. So the second letter is A. So these are the names with the second letter A. If you wanted to search with third letter, so first you will use two underscores, means like you are leaving two spaces and you are searching the result. And your name should start with H and it should end with I if you wanted to search like that. So then you will use H percentage I. So start and end you will use, and in the middle anything might be there, you will get the result. So it's like you can search with different patterns using these things with like operator. You understood the like operator? How it works?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if you wanted to fetch only top 10 records after descending order, think so, then you can fetch. Select. Let's start from employee. Yeah, salary we think so, like order by salary we say. Order by salary. It will give all the records in the ascending order, and you wanted to pick only like top two records, then you say limit 2. So you will fetch only first two records. After doing by, you wanted to get something like first salary, like highest salary you want, then what you will do, then you will perform a descending operation on this, then you will say limit 1. Sorry, you wanted to see top 3 salaries, you think so, then you will give a limit 3. Then you get the first two records. Already you are doing the descending order on that, and if you give a limit 3, the top records you would get with the first highest salary, second highest salary, and the third highest salary. You can use this in this manner. Between. The next is between operator. You wanted the salaries between 10,000 and 15,000. Having You are having 9,000, 15,000, but you are having different salaries, but you wanted the records only which is having salary between 10,000 to 5,000. Then you will use between operator. So select star from employee where salary between 10,000 and 15,000 I want. So these are the 3 records that are there in your table. In this fashion, you will be using between. Are you clear on this?
Yes, clear.
So the other things next we will see the Windows functions we will see, and the joins we will see, and the subqueries, and those things we will see in the next like couple of classes.
Okay.
So on the group by and order by, like for mix of things, I will be dropping you the assignment in the group, so you complete that by tomorrow mostly. Or if you are having any
Okay.
queries, if you post me, so that those things like we can solve tomorrow in the class.
Sure. Sure.
Okay, I will. I think like I have uploaded Saturday session. I will upload that as well, and this also I will
Okay.
upload this one. And after uploading, I will just post in the group. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks. Bye.